Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Manaswini and I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I got in my first Nykaa Pink Friday sale bag. This is the first time that I've received PR from Nykaa and it for me is definitely a big milestone because I grew up shopping from Nykaa and I grew up seeing YouTubers share what's in their Nykaa PR boxes and all of that, and it just feels very nice, and I really wanted to share it with you all because it would not have been possible without all of you who watch my videos and also care about my recommendations. Now, before I start the haul, I want to talk to you all about something. I want to share some information. And if you're a content creator or if you're thinking about starting your content creation journey, then you should definitely hear me out. If you're not a content creator and you do not want to be one, then you can skip this part and directly watch the haul. So every time there's a Nykaa sale coming up, I'm sure you see a lot of, creators post about their Nykaa PR boxes and bags, the sale bags and sale boxes. And I'm sure you wonder how do they get it and what's the procedure. Are you supposed to email Nykaa? Are you supposed to text them on Instagram, or what to do about it? I mean, I definitely wondered, and I've been creating content for almost 2 years now. And till July this year, I wasn't aware that Nykaa had an affiliate program. When I started creating content, I was clueless and I did not even have a lot of creator friends. And even people who I thought were my friends did not help me out at all. So I had to somehow figure it out myself. I did not even know how affiliate links worked and what all I was missing out on. So I don't want that happening to you, and I'm gonna share with you what all you can do to get PR from Nykaa because there's enough sunshine for all of us. First of all, Nykaa has an affiliate program which is called NAP, and you'll have to sign up for that. You can just go to Google and search Nykaa affiliate program, and the first link is where you're supposed to go. The signing up process can take some time, and even after you're done putting in your details and submitting the form, Nykaa will take its time to decide who all will be a part of this. There are certain requirements, and one of them is that you should have at least 5,000 subscribers or followers if you're an Instagram creator. So if you have 5,000 or more followers or subscribers, you can go sign up right away. I think within a week, your account will be rejected or approved. Once your account is approved, you will have access to the Nykaa affiliate dashboard where you can create links for products or create your own store. These links that you create are the links that are going to get you commission. It may take some time to figure out how to create the links and then use a shortener to shorten them, but all the effort is going to be worth it. After that, whenever you make a video where you're talking about certain products, you can always add your own links and get commissions on those. Now, whatever products are sold using your links and whatever commission you're earning from them, all of this information will be available on the Nykaa affiliate program portal. You can also check reports and see, what all sales happened because of you. Whatever amount of money you have earned through sales in that particular month will be sent to you by them as per their payment cycles. So keep creating good content. That is obviously the most important thing, and just make sure that you have registered for their affiliate program. And finally, for PR, if Nykaa is happy with your sales and they like your content, they are going to reach out to you themselves. So keep working hard, be consistent at what you're doing, be patient, that is very important. And finally, also be aware of how these things work. If you don't know something, then do your research. If you don't know something, then ask around. Asking questions is for free. That's all that I wanted to talk about, and now let's move on to what's in my bag, what Nykaa sent to me. They have sent skincare, makeup, some body care, and also some hair care. I'm gonna start with skincare, then I'm gonna talk about makeup, then body care, and finally hair care. I'm assuming all these products are their best sellers, and these are the products that are going to go on really good discounts during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So make sure you add all these in your wish list. I will also be doing a Nykaa Pink Friday sale recommendations video very soon. So you all can let me know what all recommendations would you want. Now, starting off with the first product, it is the Himalaya Neem face wash. So nostalgic. I used to use this in school. This retails for rupees 495, and I think if I had to pick a face wash for myself today, as a school student, this is not a face wash that I'll go for because we have a lot of better options in the market now. The next product is this toner from Tony Moly. It is their Wonder Rice Smoothing Toner. This is actually a product that I'm excited to try out because you all know how the internet is going crazy for rice toners. I have tried some, but they did not work out for me. I have tried their Mochi toner, and you all know that I really like it. So I am looking forward to using this one as well. The next product is the very popular Claire's freshly juiced vitamin C drops. This particular serum has centella, yuzu extract, and grapefruit extract. I have already spoken about this serum in one of my old videos. Do check that out. I'm definitely gonna reintroduce this into my routine. Then we have this moisturizer from Pilgrim. It is their 5 ceramides barrier repair moisturizer, which has Korean Sika in it. Now, you all know that Sika is one of my favorite ingredients and it is a ceramide based moisturizer. So excited to try this one out. It retails for rupees 395. It is fragrance free and is made for dry, combination and sensitive skin. It has a creamy texture and gives a natural finish, not greasy at all. Next up, we have two sunscreens. Both of them look very promising and were on my wish list for a long time. The first one is from Isntree. It is their hyaluronic acid watery sun gel. It has SPF 50, PA 4 times plus, has a really nice light texture. I'm gonna try this out and review this very soon for you all. Then we have this sunscreen from Deconstruct. It is their lightweight gel sunscreen. Now, this is going to be the first product that I try from Deconstruct. A lot of you keep asking me about this one. I finally have it. I'm going to try it and let you all know my thoughts about it. The texture definitely looks very unique to me. It looks like a silicone based sunscreen, but it feels like a gel on hand. The finish is natural matte. I really like it. That was all for skincare. Now let's move on to makeup. The first product that I have with me is this makeup fixer from Lakme. It is their Makeup Plus Skincare Vitamin C Super Glow Skin Perfecting Makeup Fixer. It has 1% vitamin C complex. I think I'm going to put it on right now because I have some makeup on and I would love to see the finish of this one. So the spray is definitely very harsh and I think it is stinging my eyes a little. So I'm not sure if I like it or not. The finish though is nice and dewy. I really like it. I'm gonna try it some more times and then get back to you. Then we have this super viral mascara from L'Oreal. I really want to try it out right now, but I already have mascara on. So I'm gonna try it out and review it in some other video. After that, we have this banana loose powder from Inside Cosmetics. The packaging of this one is very similar to a banana powder that I used to use back in the day from Makeup Revolution. I do not mind this packaging and the quantity is also pretty good. I really like their matte pore blurring primer. That's the only product that I've tried from them and I absolutely loved it. Next up, we have this primer from Prosh. It is their Silk Blur Moisturizing Primer with hyaluronic acid and avocado oil. The texture of this product does not even feel like a primer. It literally feels like a very nice moisturizing cream. I'm really looking forward to use it for my makeup in the winter season. After this, we have the Mamaearth Moisture Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Carnation Nude and I already have all the shades of these lipsticks because I had collaborated with Mamaearth. I love how they feel on the lips, very creamy, very comfortable and also affordable. They have a lot of shades and I think they are all very suitable for Indian skin tones. You're definitely gonna find a really nice nude lipstick for yourself in their color range. Now moving on to body care, the first product that they've sent is this Dove body wash. It is their relaxing care nourishing body wash in the shea butter and vanilla variant. This is the 1000 ml bottle and I already have the same variant in the same size that I have been trying to finish for the longest time. It's just impossible. So stay tuned because a big giveaway is coming up very soon. Next up, we have this underarm roll-on from Rexona. This is their powder dry variant. It is supposed to keep odor away for 72 hours. I'm not gonna open this because this again is going into the giveaway pile. We also have a perfume. This is from Nykaa. I have already used their perfumes and let me tell you, they are very long lasting. My favorite variant is I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna put down its name somewhere on the screen. That smells really good. It's fruity and floral and I really used it for a very long time. Let's open this one and see how it smells. I think it's a floral scent because it has flowers all over it. Yeah, it's actually nice. It's like a formal floral scent. I'm not even a floral scent person, but I do really like it. Finally, we have two hair care products with us. The first one is a shampoo. This is from Fix My Curls, and I have straight wavy hair, so this is definitely not for me. This goes into the giveaway pile. It is their cleansing shampoo, cleanses hair and remove buildup, adds shine to your hair. It's paraben, silicone and sulfate free. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it and how it has worked out for you. I'm sure your comment is gonna help a lot of curly hair girlies out. And finally, we have a hair serum from Livon. This is their smoothening serum with vitamin E. Now, I have used Livon's hair serums for a really long time, and then I switched to the L'Oreal one, and now I'm using the Olaplex one. And I have some things to say about the Olaplex one, which I'm going to talk about later in some other video. But I just want to tell you that Livon's serums are great. I think if I had to pick one between this and the L'Oreal one, then I would pick this one. So good, so worth it. And that was everything that I got in my Nykaa Pink Friday sale bag. Let me know if you have tried anything out of these and how it worked for you. Also, tell me if you're planning to try out anything out of these. I'm definitely gonna give them a try and then talk about them before the sale starts. Also, quick reminder, a giveaway is currently going on and it is open till 30th of November. If you have not participated yet, then go check out the November reset video where I have spoken about all the rules for the giveaway. The giveaway boxes have been posted on my community tab, so you can check that out as well. All the best if you're participating, and thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm very, very, very grateful for all of you who watch my videos. You all make me very, very happy. If you're still watching this video, then don't forget to leave a yellow heart in the comment section so that I know who you are. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do hit the like button, and if you're someone who's new to the channel, then welcome. Do consider subscribing. I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.